Here's Daniel and Raj with different types of rocks.
For your videos.
Yeah. Justin, you just made me. Wherever igneous rock comes to metamorphic rock, then it goes to sedimentary rock, and it's back to igneous rock. These are the life cycles of rocks. Here are some different types of grains of sands. Here is Raj explaining what type of rock this is.
So this is sedimentary rock. This is like super zoomed in sand. That's actually what sand looks like. And then this is just a sedimentary rock. As you can see, there's lots of little bits. And like lots of bits compressed together. That's what sedimentary is. Sedimentary is when water, see this rubber here? Lots of water.
Comes with bits of sand, mixes together.
And when the sand rolls down the mountain, the sand rolls into here, and then the water compresses on it really hard. That cements it and compresses it really hard into rock, and that's how sedimentary rock is formed.
All right. Okay. Here's a close-up of one of the different types of grains of sand. It's been rolled into one of the rivers, and the rock formed to make sand, and it compresses. So yes, super close-up. Well, here's Raj saying that rocks can. Okay,
Sediment means like sand, and already that is just what that makes it a rock. That makes it, it's talking about the rock is sediment made out of sediments or sand. That's what I've been talking about. It's very like
close-up of rock that has been compressed and into sand.
Lots of sand, and it gets compressed up into rocks.
All right, see you in the next scene. We're gonna be talking about igneous rocks. So, obsidian and basalt are both igneous rocks, but they're not the same in some aspects. Is a close-up of obsidian. It's black and very soft on some parts, but rough on the others.
Very strong.
This is basalt. Basalt has spongy type, sort of like coolish, and it's like porous, unlike obsidian. So that's the difference between obsidian and basalt. Although they came from the same place. Here are a few more pictures, and Raj will explain how basalt is a rock that has holes in it, and it's like a rock that's formed up into this new metamorphic rock, but obsidian is a rock that is lava but dried up. All right, you speak into it.
Here are some more igneous rocks.
So, as an example, andesite is a new one. Rhyolite is also a rock. Gabbro, pumice, granite are all igneous rocks. And obsidian, basalt, as we were talking in the first scene, are all igneous rocks.
And they're all formed by a volcano.
This is quartzite. It is a metamorphic rock. I'll show you some extra metamorphic rock. This is phyllite, and I'll show you another. These are some extra metamorphic rocks, except I do not know the name of them, but you can look up at them closely. You can always rewind and watch the video later. See you in the next. Here's Rod explaining metamorphic rock to the difference to igneous and sedimentary. I couldn't find the other rock, but there's two types of rocks here. One is metamorphic and the other is igneous. Raj will explain the difference between metamorphic and igneous.
And sedimentary. So the difference is igneous, like our obsidian here. It's basically igneous is basically volcano. It's basically coming out of a volcano. Our sedimentary rocks are all smushed down.
Metamorphic rocks.
Our sedimentary rocks are all smushed.
Metamorphic rocks.
All sedimentary rocks are smushed down pieces of other rock that's rolled down a hill. And metamorphic rock, just like our phyllite here, are rocks that have changed, and now they are a different type of rock.
We'll see you later.
In the camera roll.